How to change video frame size in CapCut. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change video frame size on CapCut. To change the video frame size or aspect ratio in CapCut, first of all open your CapCut application on your mobile device. Once you open the application, here make sure you have selected the scissors or the edit icon at the bottom left. Once after selecting it, you will land on this home page. Here you can start a new project either by tapping the new project and selecting the video you would like to edit, or you may also open an existing project from your library in this project section. Once you tap on the video, you will be able to reach to the editing space now. Once after reaching to the space, here at the bottom, you will be able to see different icons. Simply swipe it to the left side and then there you will be able to locate the aspect ratio icon. Simply tap on it and then a menu will appear with various aspect ratio options, such as if you select 16:9, you'll be able to view your video in widescreen. And if you are using a vertical one for TikTok or Instagram Reels, you can select 9:16. Similarly, if you would like to use the square one, select the 1:1, and if you would like to use the standard, you can use this 4:3 aspect ratio. Here I am going to use it for TikTok, so I am selecting 9:16. Once after selecting an aspect ratio, you may need to reposition or resize your video within the new frame. Use two fingers to use pin gestures on mobile or drag the handles on your PC if you are using the PC to adjust how your video fits within the selected aspect ratio. After that, you can also tap on this playback button on your video to ensure that all the important elements you are well framed and visible within the new aspect ratio. And once you are satisfied with it, tap on this tick mark at the bottom right and then tap on this export button at the top in order to export your video. Also, if you want to change the frame rate, you can tap on this resolution icon, which is 180p by default at the top right, and then from here you can select the frame rate as per your preference. By doing so, now you'll be able to export the video. Simply tap on the export and then the video will get exported. You can find this video in your gallery now. So by following these steps, you can easily change the video frame size in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.